Hi, my name is Heather and I'm from Primary ICT Support, and in this video I will be showing you how to find your device name. When you contact the support desk, we will sometimes ask you for a device name. This is very easy to find. All you need to do is navigate down to your Start menu, your Start button, which is just here. Click on that and just start typing PC space name as so. As you can see, it's come up with View Your PC Name. Please click into this. This will bring you up into this page, and as you can see right next to device name, this is the name that we are looking for. Provide us with this and we should be able to remote on and support you however you need.